Hi, welcome to Innovation Electronics. So in this video I am going to explain IoT based smart attendance system. In this project the student first verify here ID card and then you should verify here fingerprint also. After that, verifying ID card and fingerprint, the system will automatically updating the attendance to the cloud, as well as the system also capable for sending alert SMS to the parent in order to parent will know the attendance report. Okay, so now I'm going to show the demo. So before that I cannot able to show the SMS alert because I am using one mobile. So I entered my mobile number, so I'm not able to show the demo because I'm taking video that mobile. So I can show fingerprint verification as well as IoT updation also. Okay, so here I am using ThinkSpeak website. So I am using ThinkSpeak site. We can get all the data through the Excel format, which means which time the student came, who they, and then here contact number. So all the data we can get to the cloud. Okay, which means we can access all the data from anywhere in the world. Okay, fine. I am going to show the demo. So before that, I have to explain the component detail. So you can see that this is the Arduino Uno I am used here, and then this is the GSM 800 modem. This is the fingerprint model, and this is EM18 RFID reader. This is the 16x2 LCD, and then this is the power unit for providing for different power supply for components, electronic components. And I'm going to turn on this project. Okay, our project is turned on. You can see that. Please show your ID. Now it will asking the ID. Okay, so this is the whole project. Okay, and you can see that this is the whole project. Fine. So now it asking show your ID. First I'm taking one card, and then I show here. So it will display the student name. A student name is Arun, ID verified, and then it will asking finger ID. Okay, so finger ID na the fingerprint sensor also getting blinking. So we have to place finger here. Okay, so simply I'm going to place my finger. So ID1. If the ID1 is matched correctly, it will making a present. Actually Arun not ID1. Actually Arun is a I think 3. So I programmed 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is for ID1 and this is for ID2 and this is for ID3. Okay, so I'm going to place ID3. Okay, ID3 is match. So Arun is present. After few seconds I get SMS also, and then this data also updated to the cloud. Okay, so now with the system updating to the data to the cloud, I am getting SMS also, but I cannot able to show it right now. Fine. So please wait GPRS configuration, which means now the data is connected to the ThinkSpeak side. Once internet is activated to the SIM 800, you can see the LED is fast blinking, which means internet is activated. So now data is updated also. Okay, after updating is completed, this LCD will giving notification also. Data updated successfully. Fine. Again it will asking student ID. Okay, so this is Arun ID I already used here. Now I'm going to show another one card. I scanned. Priya ID is verified. So I think Priya is ID2. Okay, so Priya is ID2. It will asking for ID. Okay, so ID3 is a last ID. It will just displaying. Now we have to verify ID2. I already told ID1, ID2 and ID3. Okay, now I'm going to simply placing ID2 for Priya, but demo purpose I just going to show ID2. Okay, so this is a finger for ID2. I scanned here. Okay, Priya is present. Okay, so after few seconds I can get SMS also, and then the data also updated to the cloud. Okay, I get SMS. I got SMS. Okay, now I'm going to show the website update. Okay, so actually currently we are updated to student attendance system. I'm show it. Just to go to the data input export and select. Before that we have to select time zone, because that manner we can get correct time also. So in my India I am selecting Kolkata, Mumbai. So I selected. Okay, and then I am going to simply download it. I downloaded it. Okay, so going to open it. We should have two data. You can see that. So first data is Arun. You can see that. So here we can monitor the date and time. So this is the data Arun. First data we have presented Arun, that contact number, you can see that contact number, and then status present, and then which year he is studying, second year, third year, like that. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to show another one demo, that is last card Ravi ID verified, and then he is waiting for fingerprint. So fingerprint sensor is blinking. Now simply I'm going to place ID 2. What happened? It not responding because Ravi asking for ID 1 only. I am placing another ID 3. So it does not matching. Why? Because Ravi for ID 1 only. Okay. So this is the ID 1. Now I'm going to place ID 1 finger. Okay, Arun present. Sorry, Ravi present. After few seconds, it will getting sending SMS to the concerned mobile, and then this data also updated. So now we have to, okay, I got SMS also. So and then the system updating to the cloud. Okay, so this is the last two student database. You can see that is Arun and Priya. Okay, so last we got Ravi database. So what I am going to do, I am just to close the file, and then I am going to again I am going to the same home page. Okay, so data import export, go to again download the data. So I am going to simply select that date and time. I am selecting Chennai time zone, and then simply click download. So we can get another one Excel file also. Now it will showing 3 data because last we updated first Arun, Priya, and the last data is Ravi. So we can get all the data to the cloud with the date and time with the seconds also. Okay, so this is the complete project. For more detail you can contact our office number. Thank you.